So in this video, I'm just recording my first attempt at buying an NFT. Hopefully you'll learn something from it. So let's get right into it. So here on Opensea, I'm going to click on the explore button. Of course, if you are a creator, then you would click on the create button, but I am not. So I am looking to buy NFTs, not create them. I'm going to go to explore all NFTs. And when I do that, it tells me right now there are 27 million items under NFTs. So I guess that means 27 million different NFTs. And we can just scroll through and get a general feel for what it's all about. If you look at this, you'll see 8 people are already interested in this particular one, We World Club, number 1988. The symbol here there tells you you're going to do all your transactions in ETH, and the cost of this one is 0.02 of an ETH. So 0.02 of an ETH, that should be about $40, I would think. This looks interesting. Let's see what this has. Let me click on this. Royal Watch. The sale ends next week. 3 people are interested in this. These are all the traits of, I guess, the different types of royal watches. About royal watches. So you could always click on the website, join their Twitter and Instagram just to learn a little bit more about them. I want to go to their website. Let's see what they've got. The Royal Watches is the first collection of iconic and rare collectible watches on Opensea. That's a typo, I would think. Okay, so about our NFT, let's see what they have to say about their NFTs. For the vast majority of people who are wearing watches, they wear it as an accessory, a piece of jewelry that enhances their style and appearance. A good-looking watch can significantly enhance your appearance as well as be matched to the outfit you're wearing. And this is, as mentioned, probably the most common reason people wear a watch. I don't know. It just looks very sparse, like no information, literally like nothing. Okay, so I want to go back. So here we have their 3,000 items and 129 owners, the floor price, and the volume traded. Volume traded, probably about $5,000 worth. There it is in ETH, 2.5 ETH. Activity. So if I scroll or attempt to scroll all the way to the bottom, so remember there's been about $5,000 worth of activity, so that's money changing hands. So 3 months ago, this guy bought Royal Watch 570 for 0.024 of an ETH. So 3 months ago, he bought this for $96. So right now it's running at a value of under that, $20 under that. But again, I guess just like we hold on to our cryptocurrencies, we hold on to our NFTs as well. So he's holding on to this with the hope that the value of his Royal Watch 570 will increase over time. So let me come out of these watches and see what else we got. So at this point, because I know I only have $50 Ethereum on MetaMask right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the maximum NFT that I can buy to, I'll set it to $30. Give me a $30 NFT. Okay, let's apply. And let's see what it comes up with. So these will cost me no more than $30. So they're super cheapy. Okay, these hype hippos look nice and friendly to me. So of course that's not the basis under which you're going to buy your NFTs. You're going to do your due diligence to know and to understand what exactly it is that you want to own. At the end of the day, you want an NFT that is reasonably priced that will hopefully increase in value. After all, that's the reason why we invest in cryptocurrency, because we all believe that whatever coins we buy now, in another couple of years' time, the value would have increased. Okay, so this looks pretty decent. So I'll click on Hype Hippo, number 9289. And it costs $15.35. I will not make an offer, but I will buy it now. I do agree with Opensea's terms of service, so confirm checkout. So as you can all see, the gas fees are ridiculously high, way higher than the price of the transaction itself. So I'm just going to wait until these gas prices come down. So I did wait a few hours, and while waiting, I found a much cheaper Hype Hippo than the one I had previously. So this is the one I'm going to buy. Now, because I did wait until an off-peak time when the Ethereum blockchain was way less busy, I have been able to reduce my gas fees by about 50%. So congratulations to me. I'm now the proud owner of my first NFT, Hype Hippo. Making videos can be super thirsty work, so you can help support my channel by buying me a cup of coffee. Find the link in the description box below.